Looking for low maintenance living in Hendersonville? Well, here at Plantation Walk, we've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Easy, 1-level living, practically maintenance free. The sunroom is absolutely magnificent. You can enjoy that 3 seasons. Absolutely darling townhouse, and it's priced to sell. The primary overlooks the back garden. I'd probably use one of those bedrooms for my office. One of the guest rooms has a beautiful courtyard, private, bricked in. The kitchen has been updated, a beautiful chandelier from Ballard's Design, gorgeous stove, it's gas, there's even a pantry. And wait, there's more. There's a community pool located in the heart of the community. It is extremely safe, lots of walking, close to your neighbors. Plantation Walk.